What's up, Scrappy Peeps? It's Del from Inkie Quill, and I've got a little bite and try it video for you today, Project Lifey style. Now, these are some goodies that I've had for ages, but I had them packed away in a plastic bag to do this video, so I thought now was the time. I've got some pieces from the Sun-Kissed Cocoa Vanilla collection, some clear stickers, florals, and then this is a piece from the Days of Splendor from Pink Fresh Studio. I freaking love when they do those little chipboard circles. Love them. These are also from Pink Fresh. There's some nice stickers. And then this sticker sheet from Amy Tan, Late Afternoon, which had some really nice, bright, fun things on there. And I thought today I'd do a little Project Life page when my bestie came to town. We live, if you were to drive it, I think it's about 17 or 18 hours straight. So we live in different states, and so we only get to see each other a few times a year, but I thought it would be appropriate to put this video up this weekend because she's down. And the day that you are seeing this video is Archie's 5th birthday party, which is going to be a lot of fun, and hopefully no tears from Archie. And she's able to come, so that's really nice that her little girl can come and hang out with Violet, because they're only a month apart, so they're the same age, so that will be sweet. So I thought that I'd use up some papery scraps for this one. I've been really struggling with finding 4x6 journaling cards, and I have I wouldn't say a surplus. I have a good stash of 3x4 cards, but 4x6, I just seem to get them and just fly through them very quickly. So I've been trying to use my paper scraps to make my own ones, and I layered a spotty bit of paper on top of a green piece because we went into the change room together and we both tried on green spotty dresses together, because back in the day, Karen and I often used to accidentally go out wearing extremely similar clothes, so that she'd pick me up to go to the club or whatever we used to do in our youth, and we would either be wearing the same colours or opposites. So she'd wear, red top, black pants, and I'd be black top, red pants, or vice versa. And so we both tried on a dress and of course had to, for old time's sake, take a bit of a selfie in the dressing room. And I think at this point the girls are only very little. There's a photo of them there. They may be, Violet might be like 2 months old, possibly, if that. So yeah, I think. And so yeah, they were fresh little babies. And I think this was actually probably my first time in a shopping centre changing room looking for clothes for me and not for the baby, for quite a long time. And it's nice to, when you have a kid, everything's about the new baby as it should be, and caring for it and looking after it. But it's also important to look after the mama. And I remember this day, we were only out for not long, maybe like an hour or two, not even that actually, probably an hour. And it was just really nice to get out of the house. I remember thinking that I wish that my bestie lived closer so that we could do this more often, because it is hard to find time for yourself when there's a newborn around. So I'm just adding some clear stickers here, being careful to add them on top of the white so that they don't go all murky on top of the green, or you can't really see the colours. So here we are in our matching green dresses. I tried to use this sticker that put Hello Friend, but it was just a little bit too big, and I'm kind of glad that I did end up not using that, because I used it on a different page with Archie and a sheep. I keep going to say a singular sheep is a shep. I really feel like it should be one shep, multiple sheep. I feel like that should be a thing. And so Archie and the shep used that sticker with the gumboots. I just thought it was a bit more appropriate for that picture. So I've got a little label here, and you can never go wrong with a camera sticker. When in doubt, fling on a camera or a heart, and you're set. I think that's what I like about them, is that they're the type of icons or images, whatever you might want to call them, that just go with everything. And I really like, not that I'm against themed embellishments and things. I like a good themed embelly, but I feel like there's more frustration with them. I prefer stickers and things that you could use for a whole range of different types of photos. Photos of the everyday, photos of special events, photos of your food. I could put choose happy on a photo with my bestie. I could put choose happy on a photo with some bacon. It's multiple uses. Same with quality time. It's just a nice, I don't want to say generic, but a general phrase that you can use lots of times. That's my TED talk on different wording done. So here are the girls in their prams, and yeah, they're fresh little babies. I think Violet probably was 2 months and Emmy might have been a month, I think, by the looks of them. And so I popped that little phone there because I took that picture with my phone, and then I've gone off to find a little label. I was so disappointed. I did a recent order from Ellie's studio. I posted a ginormous Patreon video on it where I did a big haul of, it was like $500 worth of scrapbooking goodies and stickers and a multiple page process video. And they don't sell these little labels anymore. And I'm so gutted because they were just the perfect little size for my project life. So I'm disappointed that there's nothing in their store that's teeny tiny like that anymore. I felt like I needed to way up the top there on the right. I needed something, so that little heart sticker coordinated well with the pram handlebars. So now it's time to do a bit of journaling. So I've got this big sticker here, and I don't know why I did the house, because we weren't home. Maybe it was like she came from her house to my house, maybe. That was my thinking. Or maybe I just liked how it was like nice and subdued in colour. It didn't, take up any of the extra colour space on the rest of the page. So I added some journaling there, and then on to the final little photo, I think. So these are just some photos of Violet, and this is this is a onesie that my bestie got for her, so I thought it was appropriate to put her in it when she was in town to visit. And this onesie is so Adele circa 2007, I would say. I used to wear that colour blue and red everywhere. They were my go-to colours. I used to be head to toe coordinated in blue and red with bandanas, jewellery. I used to go to Diva. Do any of my Aussie peeps in the same generation as me remember Diva? Gosh, I spent some coin there. It's a jewellery shop, kind of targeted at teens, I would say, teens and 20s. And yes, so this, I used to wear polka dots. I used to have this top that had cherries all over it that I wore so much. And so when Karen saw that onesie, she thought of me, and it's very special. Oh, little Frida. So I like to look back at photos like this and, remember those little newborn days. Frida used to just love staring. Sorry, she did, but Violet used to love staring at Frida and just watching her bounce around in her pen, and then we'd let her out and she'd bounce over next to Violet and just sit next to her, which was really sweet. Jazz hands. This page is done. So I hope you've enjoyed this little buy it and try it video, and it's given you some ideas to grab some stuff from your stash. That was a lot of S's in one sentence. Grab some stuff from your stash and perhaps open up some packets of things that you haven't used before, pair them with some older goodies, and oh my gosh, there is a giant grasshopper on my window. What do I do? What do I do? Please don't jump on me. Okay, I have to, this is lucky that I only saw that at the end of this video. I'm going to go attend to the grasshopper and help it move outside where it belongs. And please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll see you soon. Bye.